Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Let's go cruising here. Some of the members in our forum were picking on the cruise lines today. I have not been looking at these at all. Just hasn't really been my focus, but I am now. I don't like Carnival the way it broke out here, and I'll tell you exactly why. If we look at the intraday chart, you see, it broke out, traded really nicely for the first hour, and then it just kind of drifted lower. Still, you could say, it's a breakout, but if you look at the line chart as opposed to the candlesticks, you'll see that it's really not a breakout. The stock is still within where that line was drawn. Now, you could say, well, you could draw a different line. Yeah, I could, but, I could choose not to eat junk food either, but, so it is what it is. But if you look at Royal Caribbean, the stock performed a little bit better. You look at what it did today. It was strong all day. It never really did sell off here. Same thing with Norwegian. It was running in the morning just like Carnival, but it never sold off. And so as I look at these charts, I would say, Carnival's probably my least favorite of the stocks. It's actually my least favorite of the cruise lines too, but I'm not a cruise guy. Touching the doorknobs creeps me out. So also, I don't like to be out at sea with thousands of people that I don't know, and that's for another story. And I saw the Titanic. Rose! Anyway, so the cruise lines, I think, ultimately are going to move higher. I think it's more just like, pick which one you want. Again, like you look at Carnival, this looks like it'll work, but in this environment, I would rather even see it. Hopefully, it'll pull back. Even if it pulls back 50 or 60 cents, it's a better entry. I think you got to be very, very picky. Norwegian, I like the volume, kind of a clean breakout, a strong close. I think this is going to work. Royal Caribbean, sideways consolidation. You look and see during this consolidation, volume was lower than average. The biggest building on the block here is a green one. The next day, red was heavier than average, but not as high. So as I look at this, I see these stocks are starting to really show signs of accumulation. So I think these are stocks that you can be in. Okay. All right. Look. That's it. I'm not chatty today, so I'm cutting it off early. Bye.